Go check out a waterfall. It's supposed to be just a short distance up this river. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. I want to feel the water. It's probably freezing. Right now it's freezing.
I didn't bring my hiking stick. Again.
Well, you don't need it on this trail.
I always forget that thing.
This trail, you don't need a hiking stick.
That's right.
The other trail, maybe, with all the rocks.
Now, it would have been nice to have down those ice caves. Kind of push myself up the rocks.
I love all the little pine trees growing.
I hear the waterfall. I hear it. Let me put another stick inside the stump. It's the little things, you gotta notice them sometimes. Go ahead. We're getting close.
I hear them.
This is a short walk. Easy walk.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow, that is super cool. Let's see how close I can get to it. There we go, there's like a little side trail or something around here. More rocks. I hope this is showing up yet in the picture. Let me get over here where there's a little more shade. See if I can get a better shot. Alright, let's go see if we can get a better shot. Photo opportunity. A little shot through the trees right here. Yes. Awesome waterfall here in the White River National Forest, Colorado, just outside of Aspen. What do you think? You like it?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Oh, look at the sap on the street.
That's just a little bit of sap.
Wow. Pine trees are just beautiful here.
All right, folks, signing out. Peace.